folks, and welcome to Windshield Horizons, video number two.
This video is all about a day in the life and what our camping life is like on those days. Just a basic, normal day. This trip we were at Roan Mountain State Park, which is one of our favorite parks. And we kind of consider it our home park. It's in our home county, and it's just about 25 or 30 minutes away from our house. So we could go up there and spend time. It's perfect for a quick weekend. So we were at Site 41, which is our favorite site. It's right on the river, and there's not a camper right in front of you. So it's like you have this whole backyard almost, or front yard, I guess. That's the river. So it's perfect to sit there with a campfire. It has a good view of the campground, so you can see other campers coming and going. So we share a little bit about that site. We also share about our camp cook, which is Chad.
I don't know how that happened, but I am the camp cook. I think it's because she doesn't want to cook, but it doesn't bother me. I enjoy it. We get to try some cool stuff, so it's kind of fun.
I like it because in the morning when we're camping, my alarm clock is the smell of bacon. So Chad will get up and get breakfast started, and then when breakfast is ready, I get out of bed and walk down the hallway and come in and eat breakfast. So it's perfect. It works out great for everyone. But I clean up.
I think it's fair.
I'm on cleanup duty, so it all works out.
Don't mind to cook if I don't have to clean.
The other thing that we love to do whenever we're at a campground, even if we've been to it several times, is to go to the visitor center. So we did that. At the Roan Mountain Visitor Center and any state park visitor center, they have these Tennessee State Park passport books. And so we've really visited a lot of Tennessee state parks that we might not have been to for this book, so I can get a stamp in it. So it has a little page that has history of the park and then a place to jot down your memories. And these are old stamps that they had. And then they've transitioned to these newer ones. So we're kind of collecting those too. And then I modified our passport book with this binding and then put this little page in to put pictures from our different memories. So we always have to, in a state park, we have to get a stamp here. And my other thing to check out in gift shops are stickers. And Roan Mountain really has really cute stickers right now. So this is one that we got. So we always check out a visitor center. We're usually trying some new recipes. You're going to see that in this video. The recipe that we tried two actually. So the first one didn't work out that great.
No, we were going to video it. We had grand ideas, and in the middle of our videoing, we kind of had a little bit of a...
We literally caught the recipe on fire.
It was smoking.
So
sure.
we have a charred recipe for a souvenir. You can see there. So we realized some trial and error about what we're going to do if we want to film a recipe. And so this is not making the cut. But we did try shotgun shells, which are Meat Church. If you don't follow him on YouTube, you should. We will have a link in the comments for this recipe.
We're also going to be doing a video on doing the shotgun shells. But if you can't wait, we will have the link in our description or comments.
We loved that there was, the campground was really empty because this was in February. So that was nice. We were able to explore a lot of the sites without having to disturb anybody else. So you're going to see some of that. You're also going to see campfire treats. We love to sit around the campfire. Two of our favorite treats on the campfire to roast marshmallows with. So those are going to be in the comments, but we're also going to have an upcoming video that's all about campfire treats, so be sure to watch for that. And our favorite thing to make is dump cake in the Dutch oven. Again, that's going to be a short little clip in this video just to show you that day in the life. Be sure to watch for the bubbling of the filling, the pie filling in the dump cake. It was really probably one of the best ones we've ever made.
Yes.
It was really, really good. And then we end with a nice, pretty shot of dusk at the campground, which is such a nice time. It feels kind of nostalgic, and you just kind of settle in and soak in the day and look at the nice sunset. So that's a day in the life. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like,
subscribe,
comment,
and share.
Welcome back to our channel. Today is going to be an incredible adventure as we take you along on a day in the life of camping. We start the day off right with a delicious breakfast surrounded by the beauty of nature. After breakfast, we are ready to head out and explore. And for us, no camping trip is complete without a visit to the visitor center, just about 2.5 miles from the campground. We make a quick pit stop to grab some cool stickers for our collection and add a stamp to our Tennessee State Park passport book. And you never know what other treasures you will find in those gift shops.
Now it's time to get the smoker ready for a great lunch. You're not going to believe the deliciousness that's getting ready to happen.
campgrounds are full of surprises, and we are always on the lookout for hidden gems. After that satisfying lunch and some exploring, we are keeping the campfire alive for some sweet treats. Marshmallow roasting, anyone? The day is flying by, and as the sun starts to set, Chad is taking over the grill to whip up a mouth-watering dinner.
And check out our dessert, a delectable dump cake straight from the Dutch oven. Trust me, it's the perfect way to end a day in the great outdoors.
Thanks for joining us on this day in the life camping adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment to share your favorite camping memories. Until next time, happy camping, and we'll see you on the open road.